In every sector where goods must be sent from A to B, packaging and logistics are important. They are even more important when it comes to sensitive goods such as food. It is good that some companies at the IBA in Munich are presenting their innovations and provide a forecast on the future of packaging because
at the end of the day, most of the goods nowadays must be sold in a supermarket, in a retailer. So in this sense, packaging is a key factor for our customers to sell their products.
Packaging for baked goods must be very versatile. They must meet three conditions. They must protect the products during transportation from moisture or damage, ensure the appropriate shelf life, as well as comply with food hygiene regulations. From our point of view, and from our experiences made in discussions with the customer, this is a very serious issue, since the requirements increase every year. It involves new demands on our packaging machines. Cleaning is a big issue there. The products that come from refrigeration, for example, must reach the packing machine encapsulated, so some of them do not even get exposed to ambient air. The companies Papier Mettler and Marvepak stand for new environmentally friendly packaging alternatives. Papier Mettler is the European leader for service packaging and is a pioneer in the recycling of plastic bags, but also has its own green packaging, which is partially made from sugarcane. Marvepak has devoted itself even more strongly to the eco idea. We have around 12 different natural materials, as an example, palm leaf plates or dishes. These are palm leaves which fall from the palm trees just as in the autumn our leaves fall from the trees. We then process them into plates, forming them accordingly. That requires a lot of manual work. We have sugarcane products in use. Sugarcane is a residual substance from sugar production. We process this into plates, bowls and cups. For a product to land on the consumer's table in the first place, a lot of logistics is necessary, but not only the transport from the factory to the sales counter. Within the production facilities themselves, the so-called intralogistics come to the fore. For more than 30 years, for example, Tecnopool from Italy has been building customized haulage systems.
Our company, Tecnopool company, is like a tailor. They build their own machine as the customer needs. So for us, it's pretty difficult to serve the customer, but every time that we ship the machine, we want to be sure 100% that the customer is satisfied with us.
For the customer is only satisfied, of course, when all the delicious baked goods are on the plate.